EAS soft label is an economical and easy anti-theft accessory for supermarket, cosmetic store, drug stores, and so on. After customers' payment, the cashier will kill EAS label by a deactivator on cashier desk. Both AM and RF label is available in Highlight. They are all CE, ISO, RoHS, and MSDS certificated. First, AM label with 58 kHz frequency. AM label is also called AMDR label. It can be disposable or reusable label. The color can be barcode, white, and black. 2 packages for it, in sheet and in a roll. Operating distance is up to 1.6 meter for dual EAS system. Some special AM label for your reference. Waterproof AM label. Insertable AM label. AM label for lipstick. Second, RF label with 8.2 MHz frequency. RF label is with different sizes and designs, such as 40 by 40 mm, 50 by 70 mm, square or round, and so on. RF label is packed in a roll. The paper core can be 42, 45, and 76 mm. The range between every label is 3 mm. The color can be barcode, white, black, and transparent. Thermal paper is available. Your logo can be also printed on it. RF label, which can be used for frozen food, is available in Highlight. Please note, it is only used for thawing the food in microwave oven, not for heating food.